Do you want to delete all conversation in Messenger? You can remove all Facebook messages in one click with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete all chat conversations in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in the app, scroll through your chat list to find the conversation you want to delete. Press and hold the conversation on an Android device. If you are using an iPhone, swipe left on the conversation. A menu will open with different options. From here, find and select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm. Once confirmed, the conversation will be permanently removed from your chat list, and your Messenger inbox will be completely empty.